Let's go with Go, Exploring English Idioms. Hello learners! Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we are going to explore phrasal verbs with Go and idiomatic expressions. Idioms can seem a bit confusing at first, but they are a crucial part of the English language, giving it color and vibrancy. So, let's get started. Phrasal verbs are combinations of words that, when used together, take on a different meaning than what the individual words would suggest. We're focusing on ones that use the verb go. For example, the phrase go on doesn't just mean to physically move forward. It can mean to continue speaking or to proceed. Now, let's dive into some common idiomatic expressions involving go phrasal verbs. 1. Go off. This can mean to leave a place or start a journey, but in idiomatic usage, it often means to start to ring or make noise, as with an alarm, or for food to become spoiled. E.g., the alarm clock went off at 6 a.m. 2. Go over. Apart from its literal meaning of crossing over a place, in idiomatic usage, it can mean to review or examine something carefully. E.g., let's go over our plans one more time to make sure we haven't missed anything. 3. Go with. This doesn't just mean to accompany someone. Idiomatically, it can mean to match or suit something. E.g., your shoes really go with that dress. 4. Go for. This phrase can mean to choose or decide on something. E.g., I think I'll go for the vegetarian option. 5. Go under. Literally, this could mean to move beneath something, but idiomatically, it often refers to a business failing. E.g., many businesses went under during the economic crisis. Remember, practice makes perfect. The best way to get comfortable with these idiomatic expressions is to use them in your daily conversation and writing. Try to incorporate at least one new phrasal verb into your English usage each day. You'll be surprised at how quickly they become a natural part of your vocabulary. That's all for today's lesson on idiomatic expressions with go phrasal verbs. We hope this video has been helpful and enlightening. Keep practicing these phrases, and soon you'll be going the extra mile in your English language journey. Until next time, happy learning!